Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This time we are gonna take you to another exciting trip to Valloire. Valloire is a beautiful ski resort in the southeast of France. So let's go! Valloire is located in the Savoie department in the southeast of France. It is around 700 kilometers from Paris and takes around 6 to 7 hours to reach by train. The nearest train station is Saint-Michel-de-Morin. Train has also arrived, so let's go. Finally we have reached Lyon station and now we have a connecting train from here. Guys, our Paris to Valloire journey includes 2 train transfer and a bus journey. However, due to massive strike in March 2023, one of our train got cancelled and hence we have to stay a night in Chambéry. So we booked a hotel next to train station in Chambéry. Next morning, we went to Chambéry train station and took first train to Saint-Michel-de-Morin. This journey took around 1 hour.
मतलब कैप्चर ही मत करो।
Lily.
हेलो कर दो, हेलो सबको हेलो।
So guys, we have reached Saint-Michel-de-Morin and now we have to take a shuttle bus which will take us to the resort. This journey is about 45 minutes and goes through the scenic route. So guys, we have checked into the chalet and this is the traditional style chalet which you will see in most of the ski resorts. It is a duplex chalet which has a kitchen, hall and a bedroom in the ground floor and a master bedroom in the first floor. We booked a ski package which includes accommodation, ski rental and ski lift passes. This way it's cheaper than arranging everything individually. Hello guys, so we are currently in Valloire and we are now going for a ski. So guys, first we have to collect our ski passes from here. So you have to show your booking details and just collect the ski passes. And now we are going to collect our ski gears. So these are the ski passes. 1 pass per person. Hello.
Hey, coucou.
Hello.
Hey.
Guys, ski gears are normally very heavy. Weight of pair of ski boot is about 2 kgs and weight of ski alone is about 3 to 5 kgs. So if you add weight of helmet, poles and jacket etc, then it is like walking with 8 to 10 kgs extra weight. So guys, we are all set to do ski now and now we have to go to the ski slopes of the top. So for which we have to take the lift from the right side. Here you can see. Guys, it is almost end of ski season and also this year there was comparatively less snowfall, so you won't see much snow in the valley. But once you go up in the mountains, you will find sufficient snow. So guys, we have reached the ski area and here is a small restaurant where you can enjoy the beverages and good food, and on the front is the ski area for beginners.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Guys, these lifts are called drag lifts because they drag you to the uphill. These are found mostly in the beginners area as they are easy to use and less prone to accidents.
This all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
आप इधर क्लिप शेयर कर देंगे।
I don't wanna miss a beat.
ये
And on we'll go.
Guys, most of the ski lift stops operating by 4:30 p.m. so we have to get back to the town. And we ended our day by playing cards in our chalet. So guys, good morning. So today is the next day and we are all set to do ski again. So let's go. Guys, normally ski shops also offer ski deposit services. So last evening we deposited our skis in this shop. It is very near to the ski lift, making it super convenient for us.
Number fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Guys, today also I'm gonna do ski in the beginners area, whereas Harsh and few other friends will go for skiing further up in the mountains. Maybe they will try green and blue slope today.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is
So guys, these lifts are called chair lifts and these are most common type of lifts in the ski resort. A typical French ski resort consists 80% of lift of this type. You just have to stand in a marked area and sit when chair is approaching to you from behind, and then you pull down the safety bar.
rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Most tricky part is getting off from these lifts. You pull up the safety bar and stand on the snow while chair lift is still moving. As soon as you get off from the lift, you will start sliding. So if you are too early or too late, then you may fall down.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
guys, view from here is incredible, and this is one of the highest point in the resort where you can reach by the ski lift. We will publish a full video of ski run as a separate video. Here is our little cute friend Lily. She's also gonna enjoy the snow sledding today.
लिली कहाँ जा रही है? ये लिली एंजॉयिंग? ये देखो।
After some time, we had some quick bites in the restaurant and then headed back to Chalet.
Wastelands through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands through the highways, and on.
Hello again. This is our 4th day of our trip. It is snowing since last night and I'm sure the atmosphere will be exciting in the top. So let's go and find out. Guys, it is snowing heavily here and the visibility is very less.
You decide to arouse the energy of the passion.
बस इसको बना नहीं रहे, ठीक है, बना नहीं रहे। अरे शिट, निशाना चूक गया। अरे अरे सामने एंजल एंजल वीडियो वीडियो बनाओ।
After all the things you did to me, here's what I want you to do.
We spent some time playing in the snow. It was the best and the memorable day of this trip.
खेल लो।
After spending some time, we headed back to the town as we have to catch train in the evening for Paris. So guys, now we are checking out from the hotel, and if you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. Wish you happy and safe travel.